Here it is the new freezer machine, which can reach minus 150 degree, and the size for this one, it is more smaller. But the cooling plate size, it is the same as before. It can fit for 13 inches LCD screen, so it is okay for iPad as well. And here it is one LCD screen for Note 8. And here it is a touch screen. Since it can get the low temperature, we put together the LCD screen with a frame. Now it is minus 164. We will need to put the LCD screen in the cooling plate for around 1 minute. After it gets fully cooled by the low temperature, then we will start to separate. The time it is okay. We are trying to separate the frame from the LCD screen. The lowest the temperature, it can reach for minus 175. It is a deeply cracked LCD screen. And you can use a sharp plastic card for you to help you to separate it. Okay. Put the LCD screen on the cooling plate again. And that is the frame. Okay. You can use the card to help you. It is very important to find the correct layer. only part that we need to separate it is just the front panel glass. So you cannot touch the, you cannot damage the touch screen. Okay. Okay, we'll wait for a while to let it become normal temperature and then doing cleaning.